Hi guys, welcome to another edition of Super Toy. Today I wanted to show you this wooden train set from IKEA store. This one is called Lillabo and it's a 20-piece basic train set and it has a multicolored train. The key feature of this train set is that you can make a different formation and has a total track length of 9 feet 10 inches. Now let me go ahead and show you how you can build this train up.